Want to enable sleep mode on Instagram? This feature helps reduce notifications during specific hours and encourages healthier screen time habits. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap the three-line menu icon in the top right corner to open Instagram settings. Scroll down and select Time Management. Here, tap on Sleep Mode. Turn on the toggle next to Sleep Mode to enable the feature. After that, choose your preferred start time and end time. During these hours, Instagram will automatically limit notifications and show that sleep mode is active. If you don't see the sleep mode option, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version, as some features may vary by region or account. And that's how to turn on sleep mode on Instagram in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.